It's 80 degrees in the shade. It's 88 by the door on the side of the house. Praise God, the trash man took all my trash. I mean, it was inside the can, but some of it was heavy. I got to get that off the road when I get back. I think Calico may have had some babies. She's sitting up there in front of the house acting kind of strange. When I get back, I'm going to offer her some food and water. She's not in front of my house. She's in front of the neighbor's house. But I can take it over to the corner of the fence. Set it down there where she can see it. The only reason I say that she might have had her babies is because she's been missing for a day or two. Suddenly she's outside in front of the neighbor's house. Tom and little kitty on the inside of the house, they sure are missing their canned cat food. Walmart didn't have any, but they said they would deliver me 5 cans today, so hopefully it'll be here sometime today. I got a return on the mislabeled hamburger meat from Walmart. Praise God for that. I got a refund without making a return. The one pack was pink colored, really pink. You could tell it had a lot of fat in it, and just by feeling of the texture of it and how it squishes between your fingers when you're making patties. And that ended up splattering all over the stove and filling the pan full of grease. And the patty ended up shrinking. I'm not going to throw it out, but I don't like getting ripped off like that. Use it for something in the future. It's a long way down yonder to the shade. I'm not going to go that far. Going to go back and see about Calico. Miss Weaver, she done a nice job on the trails. Check the mailbox and get the trash can on the way back to the house. Open that thing up, flip it over on its side, and let it air out for a while. Might wash it out in a little while. Rinse it out. I wish our trash days were on 2 separate days. I've got 3 neighbors. They're all with one company, and I'm with another company. But trash days on the same day. Thursday. Trash cans make good driveway markers. They're big, you can't miss them. Look at all the goldenrod. Goldenrod, goldenrod, goldenrod. I'm looking for some more garden tomatoes. I'm going to start asking again. Those are going to be tomatoes or salad tomatoes, whatever you call it, little bitty tomatoes out there at the end of the house. That that plant's taller than I am. I've had to pull it over and tie a string around it and tie it to the cage. It's inside a bucket. It actually needs to be tied to the side of the house with a string, but I don't want to make a hole in the side of the house by putting a nail in there, some way to fasten it to it. I could consider moving the bucket, but where would I put it? Where it would get enough sunlight. All right, friends, I got to check the mailbox and get the trash can. Enjoy your day. God bless you.